Jam Cafe Live. Today is brought to you by Play Network in partnership with It's Well Plastic and WhiteCollarZoo.tv. This is Injured Birds.
Thank you. Good.
sober in the night. Hey, we're not now the first ones in anger, but the seconds in spite. Well, she knew I was bound to leave her, so she punched out my lights, woke me in the morning to ask if I'd slept alright. I'm sure she knew it couldn't be long before we went way down in the doldrums once again. I'm sure she knew it couldn't be long before we went way down in the doldrums once again. Way down in the doldrums once again. Here once again.
Thank you very much. This is our last one. Seaside Towns. You ready, David?
They're closing down all of the seaside towns. Promenade
Thank you.
Great, so that was Injured Birds. I'm with Sam now. Sam, how do you feel that went?
It was good. It was a little bit hairy.
Was it? I was standing there thinking, like, that seems completely faultless to me. I was, like, really mesmerised.
I think because we usually have two other people, we were a bit scared. We thought like, oh, where's our drums and bass? Like we kind of felt a bit naked, but we weren't actually naked, thank goodness. So it was fine.
Yeah, but it's kind of emotional. It's kind of subtle.
Yeah. I'm not known for my subtlety, but thank you. I'm like the least subtle man ever. So thanks.
I wanted to ask you actually, like, you didn't play a livelier track, but earlier listening to your music, like, that was one of the things that I noticed, like the diversity between sort of the stuff that you've played today, the kind of like romantic, kind of sensitive stuff, and then you've done a track, haven't you? Hey Now, is that right? Yeah, it's kind of bolshy and like confident.
I think if we'd had enough opportunity to get drunk, we would have definitely played that song. But we're like,
The next time I get you on later.
yeah, exactly. Playing that sort of angry stomp while sober is difficult. We need to work ourselves up to it. But yeah, no, we have a lot of sort of different. It's not all kind of shoegazy, sort of sad, Morrissey haircutted stuff. We promise.
So where does the edgier, kind of more confident stuff come from? Is that a particular band member, or is that like a mood thing?
Well, we used to play. It used to be just me and the drummer. We played as a duo, and we were kind of like an angry blues band. That was kind of, and we sort of like since sort of expanded our sort of repertoire, but we've still got kind of souls of angry sort of blues garage rockers going on as well. It's what we like to do.
It seeps out every now and then.
It sort of seeps out like a sort of dodgy stain every so often. Yeah.
Okay, great. Well, yeah, that's been Injured Birds. Thanks very much, Sam.
You.
Welcome back to Jam Cafe Live. We're here with Play Network, It's Well Plastic, and WhiteCollarZoo.tv. Next up is The Swiines.
Wake up, boy, it's Sunday morning. Check your phone, 'cause she's been calling. Last night's flashback slowly filter through your brain. You said that you don't know that love is blind. Maybe times have come for changing. Fall back and start. You said that you don't know that love is blind. You said that you don't know that love is blind. Hey! Hey! You said that you don't know that love is blind. Don't try to hide just what you're feeling. Stop the lies, 'cause you've been deceiving now. Your bank account is staying. You said that you don't know that love is blind. You said that you don't know that love is blind. Hey! That's it! You said that you don't know that love is blind. You said that If you think you're in, well, you're clearly out. Don't feel sad, feel the flow. If the phone don't ring on this rusty line, shake my hand, watch him go. What you say? Let me know who's to blame. I feel the falling sounds and send your face to the world. I can see them walking by. I lost my faith in my cow, and I will. If you got no faith and hope ain't high, it's time to change the road. Cause the thoughts don't see what you hear inside. Kick them out, watch them go. Hey! What you say? Let me know who's to blame. I feel the falling sounds. Send your face to the world. I can see them walking by. I lost my faith in that cow, and I will. Okay! Hey! Okay, now. What you say? Let me know who's to blame. I feel the falling sound and send your face to the world. I can see them walking by. I lost my faith in that girl, and I said, hey, send your face to the world. I can see them walking by. When I go, and I will change. Kill. the morning, I was scared to breathe. Tiptoe down to the landing, forward start to creep. Then I felt like I was really dying, I just want my phone. Then I realized where I left it, downstairs near the stove. While my sleepy eyes got me briefcase up the side, she's running late. She don't hesitate. She's locked away when you leave, 'cause there's somewhere I should be. She materialize till my surprise. Wait! Thanks for listening.
Great, thanks for being with us today at Jam Cafe Live. You've been with Play Network, It's Well Plastic and WhiteCollarZoo.tv.